Minnesota is also allowing some people outside the highest priority groups to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
Maury Glover joining us live tonight from MDH headquarters in St. Paul with more on that. Maury.
Well, state health officials say they are not starting the next phase of the vaccine rollout. They are simply allowing providers to use up the vaccine they already have.
For the last few weeks, healthcare workers and residents in long-term care facilities have been at the front of the line to get vaccinated against COVID-19. Now the state health department says providers can use leftover vaccines to immunize a wider range of Minnesotans.
We are simply saying today that we want to remove any barriers to their use.
State health officials say hospitals, healthcare systems, and public health agencies that have finished vaccinating frontline medical workers and have extra doses can use them to vaccinate people 65 and up and younger than 65 who have underlying medical conditions. The move follows a new directive from the federal government for states to start immunizing lower priority groups.
As we approach the end of some of these first priority groups, we want to make sure that all the vaccines in the state are able to get distributed to Minnesotans as quickly as possible.
This is really exciting. This is good news.
CentraCare, which serves central and southwestern Minnesota, says they've vaccinated more than 5,000 of their employees. But they have 4,000 to 5,000 doses left in their allocation, which they now plan to use to vaccinate some senior citizens and younger patients with chronic health conditions next week.
We're protecting our at-risk providers and staff and employees. And now we can protect our at-risk patients.
But the health department says if you're in one of these groups, don't call your doctor's office to get a shot. They will contact you once they have a plan in place to distribute any leftover vaccines.
Please don't call us. We will call you.
So, Maury, when will the health department announce the next phase of people getting the vaccine?
Well, state health officials say they'll announce that information probably in the next few days, but they say they will need the federal government to step up its efforts to get more vaccine doses here to Minnesota to do that. In St. Paul, Maury Glover, Fox 9 News.